So welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing different patterns or design that you can make to your meat pie. So I'll be showing you how to make a flaky, delicious meat pie recipe. So stay tuned. So to make this meat pie, I'll start by showing you what I'm using for the meat fillings. I've cut the carrots, potato, onion, and scotch bonnet. Then into a preheated pan, I'll be adding some oil. Into the oil, I'll be adding the sliced onion. I'll allow it to fry for about a minute. Add stock cube, white pepper powder. Then I'm going to be adding the minced meat. I will stir to mix properly. It is cooking. I'm going to season it by adding salt. I'll also add curry powder. And I'll add the sliced scotch bonnet. Stir and allow to continue cooking. So while the minced meat is cooking, I'll be adding the sliced potato and carrots. I will stir and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. So after cooking for about 2 minutes, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of flour over the mixture. Stir properly. You can add a little water and allow to cook until the mixture has thickened slightly. So while cooking, you can notice that the sauce has thickened. Remove from the heat and allow to cool. So to make the pastry dough, I'll start by sieving 500 grams of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder. Also add some pinch of salt. Then I'll be grating nutmeg. Feel free to use powdered nutmeg. I'll be using 250 grams of butter. So I'm going to be cutting the butter into the flour. So with a clean hand, I'm going to be mixing the flour until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. I'll be using 3 eggs, so I'm going to add it into the flour mixture. But if you don't want to add egg, you can just add water. Then I'm going to gently mix until the dough comes together. Please don't overmix at this stage. So I'm going to cover the dough and keep in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, bring out the dough out. So I'm going to start by rolling out the dough. I'll start by rolling out the dough on a lightly floured surface. You can decide to use a small bowl, round cutter, but I'll be using this meat pie cutter. I'll place the rollout dough on the meat pie cutter, then add the filling, press to seal. So for the second design, roll out the dough to be flat, then make a design, add the dough back into the meat pie cutter, then press. You can notice that design is at the back. So for the sake of this video, you need to be creative. You can use any pattern to create a design to your meat pie. Please always make sure that you press the edges well so that you can seal properly, or you can decide to use your fork to seal the edges. So at this stage, brush each pie with the egg wash. So when I'm done, I'm going to allow this to bake for about 25 minutes on a preheated oven. Allow to bake until it has turned golden brown and flaky. I hope you can see all the design that we made and the outcome. They look so beautiful. And I hope you will try making your meat pie. Try to be creative, give it different designs so that your meat pie will come out unique and different. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.